I think you were amazing. Honestly, I'm from Venezuela and I wanted to do the Hora Loca, and I tried many different DJs and they didn't know what the Hora Loca was. So when you told me you knew what it was, I was just like, I have to go with you. It was amazing. People were dancing the whole time. So thank you so much. I will always recommend you and I will never forget about you. Thank you so much.
I recommended 3 people come and contact you, and it was a small wedding, 60 people, but at least 20 of them came to me and said, wow, where did you find this DJ? This music is spectacular. Nice work, Felix.
Thank you.